Now you can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntunkids.com. Link is in the description.
Cotton Candy Maker. There was a fun fair near Gattu and Chinky's house. Their friends Hari, Bunty and Goody had already been to the fair. In the evening, they all got together to play.
Gattu Chinky, did you guys know that this year there is also a cotton candy stall at the fun fair? And that uncle can make cotton candy of any shape. Whatever shape of candy a kid wants, he makes the cotton candy of that shape. Wow! So, what shape of cotton candy did you eat, Goody? I asked him to make a circle. And Chinky, I must say, it was really very tasty.
And I asked for a rectangle. My cotton candy was also very tasty.
Is it really true, Goody? Wow, now I also want to go to that fun fair and I want to eat a triangle-shaped cotton candy. You are right. Even I want to go there, Gattu. Let's ask Papa to take us to that fun fair today only. If you really want to go to fun fair, then you should hurry. I heard it was going to end very soon. Alright, Goody. Chinky, come on, let's go home. We have been playing for a long time. It's very late now.
Gattu and Chinky went home, and at night, when their papa returned from the office, Gattu and Chinky requested him to take them to the fun fair. Papa also agreed to take them to the fair on Sunday. After 2 days, finally it was Sunday. Gattu and Chinky got ready to go to the fair with Mummy and Papa.
Wow, this fun fair is so huge, isn't it, Chinky? There are so many rides here. Yes, Gattu, but we will go there later. Let's go to the cotton candy maker stall. We will eat cotton candy first.
Okay, kids. Let's eat cotton candy first. Papa and Mummy guided Gattu and Chinky to the place where the cotton candy stall was set up. But that day, the uncle who makes cotton candy was nowhere to be seen.
Oh no, Papa. The cotton candy maker has not come today. Why did this happen to us, Papa? Today we have come to the fun fair, but he is not here. Bunty, Goody and Hari had eaten different shaped cotton candy made by the uncle. Only we haven't eaten it. You are right, Chinky.
Gattu and Chinky were very sad to see that he was not there. Kids, I have already asked a few people and they told me that today is the last day of this fun fair. So the cotton candy maker is not going to come today. How about this? You can enjoy many rides here. And then we will have ice cream. What do you say?
Yes, dear. And look, there are bumping cars over there. Which is your favorite? We all will sit in these cars, okay? No, Mummy. I don't want to enjoy any ride now. I just want to eat the cotton candy made by the cotton candy maker. Yes, Mummy. Papa, let's go back.
Mummy and Papa were also sad after seeing how sad Gattu and Chinky were. And they took them home. After reaching home, Mummy prepared Gattu and Chinky's favorite dinner and Papa bought their favorite sweet. But it still did not lift Gattu and Chinky's mood. The next day, when Gattu and Chinky returned from school, they went to sleep. After some time, they woke up when they heard a bell.
Hey, Chinky, from where this bell sound is coming? Maybe the uncle who sells ice cream has come. Come on, Gattu. Let's go out and see who is it. Let's go, Chinky.
Gattu and Chinky rushed outside, and when they reached there, they were surprised. There were Mummy, Papa, Hari, Bunty and Goody waiting for them. And along with them was the cotton candy maker with his stall.
Wow, Mummy, Papa. Wow. Gattu, are we dreaming or is it real?
Of course not, Gattu Chinky. It's not a dream. He is the cotton candy maker who makes cotton candy in different shapes.
Yes, Gattu Chinky, he is the same person. But how did this happen, Papa? The fun fair was over. So how come this uncle came here?
Gattu, yesterday I talked to some people at the fun fair and after lots of effort I finally got the contact number of this cotton candy maker and found out about his shop.
Yes, Gattu Chinky. Then Papa called this uncle and explained him everything.
And then we specially requested and asked him to come to our home and make cotton candy for all of you.
Then the cotton candy maker said to Gattu and Chinky, "And kids, I accepted your mummy and papa's request because I like children very much. I can never see any kid upset."
Thank you so much, Mummy Papa. You did so much for us. And Uncle, I also want to thank you. You came here just to make us happy.
It's all right, dear. Now come on, tell me quickly. What shape of cotton candy do you guys want?
Yes, Uncle. I want a triangle-shaped cotton candy. And I want a star-shaped. And Uncle, please make me a circle. And rectangle for me. I want a square.
The cotton candy maker made their favorite shaped cotton candy and gave them.
Wow. Uncle, this cotton candy is really very delicious. Yes, Uncle. He is right. There is something special about your cotton candy. Thank you, Uncle, for coming here only for us.
You're welcome, dear. Along with the kids, their mummy, papa, and other people of their society also enjoyed the cotton candy made by him.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them, and subscribe.